Understanding discount vouchers, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in shopping and finance, discount vouchers. This topic is not only interesting but also very practical, especially if you enjoy shopping or are keen on saving money. So, let's dive in and understand what discount vouchers are all about. Discount vouchers are essentially coupons or tickets that offer a financial discount or rebate when purchasing a product or service. They are a popular marketing tool used by businesses to attract customers and encourage sales. Usually, these vouchers come with certain conditions, such as a minimum spend, a specific product range, or a validity period. Discount vouchers can vary widely. Some common types include 1. Percentage discount. These offer a certain percentage off the original price. For example, a 20% discount voucher reduces the price by 20%. 2. Fixed amount discount. This type provides a fixed amount off, like $5 off a purchase. 3. Buy one get one free, often abbreviated as BOGO. This voucher allows you to get 2 items for the price of one. 4. Free shipping, especially common in online shopping. This removes the shipping cost from your purchase. 5. First-time customer vouchers. These are special discounts offered to new customers. Using discount vouchers is usually straightforward. Here's how you can do it. 1. Read the terms and conditions. Always check the validity, applicable products, and any other requirements. 2. Apply the voucher. This could be by entering a code at checkout for online purchases or presenting the voucher in store. 3. Check the discount. Ensure the discount is applied correctly before completing the purchase. Using discount vouchers is beneficial as they save money. The most obvious benefit is the savings you make on purchases. Try new products. Vouchers can encourage you to try products or services you wouldn't normally buy. Budget-friendly shopping. They can help you stick to a budget while still enjoying shopping. We hope this video has helped you understand discount vouchers better. They are a fantastic way to save money and enjoy various products and services. Next time you come across a discount voucher, you'll know exactly what it is and how to make the most of it. Thanks for watching, and happy saving!